Good morning, everybody. Looks a little overcast today. Hurricane Lee is making its way up the East Coast. I'm the Frugal Gardener. I'm in Zone 6B. And it looks like we finally have some squash. There's a couple over here and a few more scattered throughout the garden. But this morning we are here to talk about saving money. I am the Frugal Gardener. And I'm going to show you, I guess you can call this a garden hack. I started using this about 7 years ago. Started picking up crates that were not being used or were given to me and using them in place of pots. So I figured out that if you use this weed barrier or landscape fabric, there's a lot of different, comes in a lot of different sizes and shapes and names, but basically it's to prevent your weeds from growing up in your garden. And what I've been doing is lining my milk crates. I started out with about 12 crates, and the first time I brought this was from Dollar General, and 2 rolls cost me $10. I was able to do all of them. I don't have all my crates up here yet. I'm still bringing a few up, but I just got finished doing this one, and I wanted you guys to see. This was with this all-purpose weed barrier 4x8. The process is simple. You just line uh, your milk crate, and you cut it. It's easier if you have 2 people, but you can do it with one. It took me about 5 minutes to line this. You just start from the edge. I use this clip to make it easier for me, and I don't need this in here right now. I'm going to add some nutrients to this later, but basically this is what it looks like when you get it from the store. Like I said, you can get this from pretty much anywhere. You can get it. I think I got this one here from Amazon. This rolls out. It's probably more convenient. It's easier. It's probably less expensive if you're going to do a lot of crates like I'm going to do. I'm going to garden in these, well, for the near future until I get my greenhouse set up. And as I said, it worked out well for me. I'm going to plant um, probably spinach or um, cabbage in this. Cabbage grows, well, you can get about 2 feet deep down in terms of the roots, but I have this smaller head of cabbage that takes up a lot less room, so I might use that one. At any rate, I wanted to show you how easy it was. I wanted to tell you what you can use, where you can get it from. And let's say if you have 5 or 6 of these to do, and you do happen to have a Dollar General. I don't have one near me anymore since I moved, so I just picked this up. I don't even remember where I got this from. I think I got, again, I got this from Amazon. But the bottom line is, this is a very inexpensive way to garden instead of going out spending $10, $15, $20 a pot. So that's it for today. Again, I'm going to give you guys another tour, and that's going to be in a few days. So before the rain comes, I'm going to be on my way. I'm the Frugal Gardener. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. And remember, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. Catch you guys in a few days on the next video.